Are you ready to grow your own butternut squash? This vegetable is delicious and nutritious. In this guide, we'll show you how to successfully grow butternut squash at home. First, let's understand what butternut squash is. It's a winter squash, known for its sweet, nutty flavor. It's versatile for soups, salads, and more. Growing it can be incredibly rewarding, but it requires the right conditions and care. To start, gather your materials. You'll need seeds, quality soil, a garden plot or pots, and water. Knowing when to plant is essential. Butternut squash likes warm weather. Plant the seeds in late spring after the last frost. Prepare your soil by making it loose and rich. Add compost for nutrients. Aim for a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. This will help your squash thrive. Next, it's time to plant. Create hills in your garden or use pots. Plant 2-3 seeds per hill. Space each hill 3-4 feet apart. Cover them with soil and water gently. Once your seeds sprout, thin them out. Leave the strongest seedling in each hill. This helps avoid overcrowding, ensuring each plant has room to grow. Pay close attention to watering. Butternut squash loves moisture but hates soggy roots. Water once a week, increasing during dry spells. A few deep waterings are better than shallow daily ones. Fertilizing is another critical step. Use a balanced fertilizer every month. This feed helps the plant produce strong foliage and delicious squash. As your squash grows, watch for pests. Common ones include squash bugs and aphids. Use organic pesticides or simple soap sprays to keep them away. Once the plants flower, it's time to pollinate. Bees usually do this job, but you can help too. Gently transfer pollen from male flowers to female ones. This increases your yield. Harvest your butternut squash when the skin is hard. Look for a deep, tan color. Cut the stems, leaving a few inches for storage. Now let's summarize what we've learned. Choose the right seeds, plant in warm weather, use quality soil, water deeply, and watch for pests. Plant pollination and harvesting are also essential. Ready to grow your own delicious butternut squash? Do your spring planting now. Share your gardening journey below. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips.